Hello everyone, we got some playoff absolute memorabilia 2008. Got this pack from Rite Aid, not $3, not expecting anything good really, but let's just try this out. Okay. Start us off with Steve McNair, nice. We got some Liddell Betts, guess from the Redskins. Got a Nars battle on the 49ers. Jersey card from Rashard Mendenhall. Was not expecting one of that. It's 118 out of 250, if you can see that. I was not expecting a jersey card from a $3 pack from Rite Aid. That's a pretty cool card. Was not expecting anything. Decent card. Never seen that before. That's a great pull. It's cool. And then we're going to finish it off with Anthony Gonzalez and Marquez Colston. But the real thing here, we got this nice jersey card. Sorry about that. Jersey card right here. Numbered at 18 out of 250. So, very nice card for $3 pack from Rite Aid. So, yeah.